Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing for you a Toovren iPhone 8 Plus or iPhone 7 Plus phone case. Really excited about it. You can go ahead and purchase it from Amazon. Here's how it's going to come shipped directly to you. We'll go ahead and open it up. Here it is. Here's the packaging. You can see right there. It actually says it's a Jason case. On the back we have the Toovren phone case for iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 Plus. Really excited about it. Here's the packaging. Nothing special, but you're not keeping the packaging anyway, so that just helps reduce costs. So really excited about it. Go ahead, click on that link in my video description below. Check it out for yourself on Amazon. See if it's the right case for you. Nice cardboard box. We'll open it up. There it is, nice and neatly packaged in here. They have a lot of different colors on there. So this one is the gray case. And it's really nice. So it's got this leather on the back that's gray with a black outline and two sewn straps of fabric that are brown. So interesting color contrast right there, but really seems like really a sturdy case. I like the nice rubbery bumpers on the device. They got enough cutouts for your speakers, power, big cutout for the camera. We'll go ahead and put it on the iPhone 8. Nice handy strap here too that you could hold with your hand, and then they have enough room for a card or two and some cash. So really nice. They actually have two ways you can button that up. Right there nice and tight, or if you put on the second button as you see, then it has room to really grip your phone, which is awesome. So that's really cool. Nice leather, should be pretty durable. Yeah, just a nice case. We'll go ahead, this is an iPhone 8 Plus. We'll go ahead and put it right in and see how we like it. So it fits pretty snug in there. They got all the cutouts right. You can see for your volume, that works fine. The button to silent it works great. The do not disturb button. Nothing for the home button now, but you can see the speakers aren't covered. The power port's not covered. The screen lock works great. The camera stuff on the back. So nice case. It doesn't add that much thickness for you. I think this little strap's probably the coolest part, and I'll show you right now too. You can prop your phone up with it too, so it's almost like a pop socket built in as well. So you can use it with your hands. You can use it to hold your device up. I don't think it won't stay up that way. It'll stay up like that, but I think it's intended to be used this way, which is cool. And then I didn't even look, so they give you a nice neck lanyard as well that I'm guessing you can just hook on. All right, I see. So there's a little spot right here you could hook this lanyard onto for the phone to keep around your neck too. So really a well thought out case. Great design. The leather's cool. Go ahead, check out that product link in my video description below. I believe I did order. It's a little confusing if you look at the gray and the black options. I believe I tried to order the black one, but the picture might have been gray and vice versa. So that's a little confusing. But go ahead, check out their Amazon link. They may have had it fixed by now. But I'll make a note in the video description which one I did and which one I received. So, but yeah, really happy with the case. It's great. No complaints. Again, it's on Amazon. Feel free to ask me any questions, comments, concerns. Go ahead, hit that sub button if you haven't already too, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.